Welcome to Graph Tutorials. I'm Shiva, and in this video I'm going to take a quick look at how you can rotate and flip your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have a video here of a cute kitty cat. First option, the rotate one, is in the effect controls, and if you don't have the effect controls visible, you can go to Window and make sure effect controls is ticked, or you press Shift 5 to have it at your service. In the effect controls under motion you have the rotation, and as you can see, rotation rotates your video. To have it flipped, we have to add an effect, and for that you go to effects and you search for 3D. It's already here, but if you search for 3D, then you have the basic 3D and the perspective. You double click that, or you drag it on top of your video, or you drag it on top in the effect controls, all the same thing. Then you can see you have a swivel option, and the swivel option is what will make you able to flip the image. So as you can see, I pressed F180, it's flipped. Just as easy as that. So the swivel flips the image. The rotation under the motion tab in effects controls rotates it. The basic 3D is what gives you the flip option, and you also have the tilt option inside basic 3D, with which you can tilt the image. So that was it, a quick video on how to rotate and flip your images, or I should say videos, in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments below if you like this video, and be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. And if you want to see my future videos, maybe also press the subscribe button with the little bell icon. But for now, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.